Hey, what's your name?
My name is iBrain. How can I assist you today?
Show me content of the following file, please. Can you show it?
Certainly. Here is the content of the JavaScript file /home/nitro0gen/natural.codes/services/src/services/opinaservice.js. Please note that this is the content of the JavaScript file that you provided. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
Yes, can you migrate the code into Python and show me the result before doing any more action and wait for my review?
Certainly. Here's the migrated code in Python based on the JavaScript code you provided. Please review the migrated code and let me know if it meets your expectations.
Awesome. Can you write it into a file, please?
The Python code has been successfully written to the file /home/nitro0gen/natural.codes/services/python/openiservice.py. If you navigate to that path, you should find the openiservice.py file with the provided Python code. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.